Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to log into Exodus Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Exodus Wallet on a device. If you don't have a wallet, tap Get Started. But if you already have a wallet, tap I already have a wallet. There are two ways you can log in. We will be logging in through the secret phrase, so tap Type Secret Phrase. Now enter the 12-word secret phrase and tap Restore. So that's how you log into Exodus Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.